Pre-selling condo versus pre-selling house and lot. Alin ang mas magandang investment? Kung may budget ka para bumili ng property, saan ka magandang mag-invest? Pre-selling condo or pre-selling house and lot? Maraming buyers ang nalilito dahil parehong pre-selling. Parehong mas affordable kumpara sa ready for occupancy. Pero magkaiba ang purpose, lifestyle, at potential return. Kaya sa video na ito, pag-usapan natin ang 5 importanteng differences para mas madali mong malaman kung alin ang mas bagay sa iyo. Number 1, location. Sa pre-selling condo, kadalasan nasa strategic location malapit sa business district, school, malls, hospital, at commercial areas. Kaya kung ang priority mo ay convenience at accessibility, malaking advantage ang condo. Samantala, ang pre-selling house and lot ay kadalasang nasa subdivision, developing communities. Mas bagay ito sa buyer na naghahanap ng privacy, space, at long-term family living. Simple lang. Condo, convenience and accessibility. House and lot, space and privacy. Number 2, space and lifestyle. Kung single ka, young, professional investor o malapit sa family, maaring practical ang condo. Hindi mo kailangan mag-maintain ng malaking property at kadalasan may amenities tulad ng swimming pool, gym, function room, security at iba pang depende sa project. Pero kung malaking family ka at gusto mo ng sariling garage, garden, bigger living area at posibilidad na mag-expand ng bahay, in the future, house and lot may best better choice. Imagine mo, may sariling bahay ka, may space at mga anak mo at may possibility kang mag-renovate according to your family needs. Number 3, price and payment terms. Isa sa pinaka-attractive ang pre-selling ay mas manageable ang payment timeline. Instead na kailangan mong bayaran agad ang buong property value, mas iba't ibang payment scheme depende sa developer. Pero wag lang tumingin sa monthly equity, always check the total contract price, turnover, balance, financing terms, interest, taxes, association dues, at iba pang possible charges. Dahil minsan, mura ang monthly payments sa unang tingin pero kailangan mong tingnan ang overall cost. Number 4, investment potential. Ito ang madalas na tanong. Alin ang mas magandang investment? Ang honest answer depende sa location, developer, presyo, demand, at purpose mo. Ang condo ay maaaring attractive para sa buyer at target ng rental income, especially kung nasa area na maraming workers, student, tourist, or business activities. Ang house and lot naman ay maaaring attractive sa buyers na ang goal ay long-term appreciation ng family use. Pero tandaan, hindi automatic na dahil pre-selling tataas agad ang value. Kailangan pa rin mag-aral ang location, developer, reputation, demand, accessibility feature, development at resale market. Number 5, you should buy what? Kung ikaw ay young professional, single, or starting a family, preferred mo ang accessible location. Gusto mo ng low maintenance, lifestyle, potential rentals, income, and ang goal mo, pre-selling condo. Maybe worth considering, pero kung ikaw ay may family, gusto ng biggest space, need ng garage, gusto ng privacy, long-term residence, ang goal ay pre-selling house and lot. Maybe more suitable. So alin ang winner, walang universal winner. Ang pinakamagandang property ay hindi yung pinakamura. Ang magandang property ay yung pasok sa budget mo. Compatible sa lifestyle mo at align sa financial goals mo bago ka mag-reserve. Huwag basta ma-excite sa promo. Do your diligence. Check the developer project documents, payment terms, contract, location, and financing option. At higit sa lahat, bumili dahil bagay sa financial capacity at goal. Not because someone pressured you to reserve today. Kung gusto mong malaman kung pre-selling condo or pre-selling house and lot ang mas bagay sa budget at goal mo, comment condo or house and lot below at tulungan kitang maintindihan ang reference. Remember, real estate is not just about buying property. It's buying the right property for your future. Follow me for more real estate tips, property investment, guides, and buyer education. Don't forget to share, follow, and like, and subscribe. This is Albert, the PRC accredited and issued registered. Thank you and God bless.